Hello guys, today we are gonna make a video about how this NGC Gamepad works. First, let me show you how this controller looks like. Okay, this controller with a USB port, so let's connect it to the computer. Okay, here we go. After we connect this gamepad to the computer, we need to wait for several minutes, and then this controller's driving application will install automatically. You should wait about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the control panel. Then you can see this. See? This picture is a controller, USB joystick. Then it means we are connected. Now let's try this controller in the real game. Please, Need for Speed. Here we go. As you can see, this controller functions very well.